English conversation.
Friends talking each other.
Hello, welcome to the eSchool English. Let's get started.
Hi there. How was your weekend?
Hey, friend. It was pretty good. I had a lot of homework, but at least I got it all done. What about you?
It was okay. I did not have a lot of homework, but I was really busy. I had a soccer tournament on Saturday and Sunday. I am so tired.
Awesome. I heard you guys won the tournament. That's great. I wish I could have come to watch a couple of games. Mrs. John gives a lot of homework on weekends. It took me like 4 hours.
Wow, that is the worst. I am glad I have Mr. James for Alaska. I would not have had time for all that homework this weekend. He does not give a ton of homework. And he is really funny.
Mrs. John is definitely not a comedian. I cannot wait for this semester to end. Anyway, the bell just rang. It is time for lunch. I am starving. Do you want to walk with me to the cafeteria?
Yes, I ran out of the house without eating breakfast. And after playing soccer all weekend, I could eat a whole pizza right now.
Let's go to eat. That actually sounds really good. I wonder what is on the menu today.
My mom packed my lunch.
But I might buy something extra to go with it.
I checked the menu last night. And I think lunch today is meatless on Monday. Black bean burgers, fries, fruit and milk.
Yum, fries. I am going to get some to go with my lunch. Did you pack or are you buying your lunch?
I am buying my lunch today. I hope they will let me buy some extra fries or fruit, because I can hear my stomach rumbling. I am so hungry. Black bean burgers are not my favorite.
Oh man, well I hope they hook you up with some extra fries. If I have extra stuff, I can share it with you. Let me see. There is a turkey sandwich, an apple, chips, a few cookies. We can trade once we get all our food and sit down.
Sounds good. Let's go to get in line. It looks pretty long already.
Thank you for watching this video.